Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about another problem related to Anaconda Navigator here. So you can see that I clicked on the Anaconda Navigator button and it shows that it is loading, but it didn't load, right? So what we have to do in this kind of scenario to understand that what is going on? So first, to understand that what is going on, we need to try to load the Anaconda Navigator from the Anaconda prompt. So just type in Anaconda Navigator here in the Anaconda Navigator prompt, and let's wait for a while. Okay, so you can see that there are number of lines where it is showing that there is some kind of error in every line 19, line 32, line 6, line 16, line 8, like that. But at the bottom, if you see that there is a error called pydantic-importError. So this error, why it has happened is like the reason is because the base settings has been moved to the pydantic-settings, and this has happened because the pydantic module has been upgraded to pydantic 2.10. So the thing what we can do here is we can actually downgrade the pydantic module to a lower version. So you just do a pip install pydantic, the lower version, that is equals to 1.10.12, and it has been successfully installed. Do not worry about the other error, because after downgrading the pydantic module, I saw that the Anaconda Navigator is now able to open. So if there is any other error that persists, I will be uploading another video related to that. So let's close this and let's check again by clicking the Anaconda Navigator button that we are able to launch the Anaconda Navigator or not. So you can see that the Anaconda Navigator is now initializing, adding feature channels. Let's wait for some more time. Yes, so now you can see that the Anaconda Navigator is loaded. So just for confirmation, let's launch the Jupyter Notebook from the Anaconda Navigator, and let's go to any folder in the Anaconda in the Jupyter Notebook, and let's open a file, and let's code something, and let's check that all the installed modules in that particular environment of Python is working fine. So let's import the required modules. Yes, so we can see that the modules that we generally use in the data analysis tasks, they are able to load. So let's set two different variables, just a list and another list. And let's plot. So let's draw a line plot, and let's understand that whether they're working or not. Okay, so we got an error. Okay, so you can see that xy must be of same length, right? So definitely to plot a line plot, you need to have x and y of same length. So let's do that. X 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and let's continue with the plot. Okay, so length of x and length of y, so both the length are now 10 10. So now it should work. Okay, so as we can see that everything is working perfectly fine. So I think the fix is working. If there is some other error, then I will come back with another video. Don't worry about that. Thank you for watching the video. Happy New Year, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.